Hi viewers, welcome to Linux Help. Today we are going to see about how to install Typesetter CMS on Linux Mint 20. Typesetter is an open source CMS written in PHP. It provides a what you see is what you get editing and flat file storage. It is a content management system that lets user create flexible websites with a simple interface. In this tutorial, we'll explain about to install Typesetter CMS on Linux Mint 20. Let's start the installation. First, I'm going to check the version of my Linux Mint. My Linux Mint version is 20. Before I install Typesetter CMS, I'm going to install LAMP service. First, I'm install Apache. The Apache service is installed. Now I'm going to start the Apache service. Apache service is started. Now I'm going to check the status of Apache service. Apache service is active. Now I'm going to install MariaDB server. MariaDB service is installed. Now I'm going to create a credential of MariaDB service. The credential is created. Now I'm going to install PHP. The PHP is installed. Now I am going to configure info.php file. Here I have to enter some lines below. Quit and save the file. Now I am going to restart the Apache service. Apache service is restored. Now I am going to check the PHP on browser. Here search your IP address. The PHP is working. Now I am going to install Typesetter CMS. Now I am going to download Typesetter CMS package by using wget command. The package is downloaded. Now I'm going to extract Typesetter download package by using unzip command. Now I am going to move the Typesetter CMS directory to Apache root directory by using following command. Once the Typesetter is moved to Apache directory, now I'm going to set the ownership and permissions of Typesetter CMS. Now I'm going to configure the virtual host for access the Typesetter CMS. Click and save the file. Once the configuration is complete, now I'm going to disable the default site access. Now I'm going to enable the site access for Typesetter CMS. Now I'm going to enable the rewrite model of Typesetter CMS. Now I'm going to restart the Apache service. Apache service is restart. Now I'm going to open the browser and check the Typesetter CMS. Here I am search hostname. This is the welcome page of Typesetter CMS. I'm going to configure the admin credentials here. Then hit enter. Typesetter CMS is installed. Now open new tab and search here the hostname. This is the dashboard of Typesetter CMS. The Typesetter CMS is installed successfully. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, and also to watch more tutorial, please visit our website www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com. Thank you.